How to overcome short staffing. Managing a business, may it be small, medium, or large scale, is difficult even on the most productive days. Imagine, if you are short-staffed, it is a great challenge for business leaders and managers to go through staffing shortages, especially during times of product deployment and high workforce requirements. Have you ever faced a situation where you have to manage a short-staffed team on a crucial day? It must have been a terrible ride to overcome that day, right? What if it happens again as a result of employee attrition? This is where prioritizing tasks and time management comes into play. Managers must focus on long-term solutions like reskilling workforce, hiring contract workers, or encouraging teamwork. To learn in detail about the effective ideas to overcome short staffing, keep listening. For more episodes, please subscribe, like our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications. For every business, client, or customer, must be the top priority, and we cannot compromise our expectations. It may even lead to a loss of trust and satisfaction, resulting in a huge revenue loss for the organization. Staffing shortages have a direct impact on our client relationships. It is an indication of poor management. As a manager, you need to execute employees' team building ideas and encourage the workers to complete the project on time. But this may risk employees' motivation due to the workload. Alternative options like hiring contract workers will work only for a short time. The idea to reskill workforce is good but time-consuming method. So dig more deeply into the exact causes of short staffing and apply our expert idea on how to overcome that. Remember, ignoring the shortage of staff initially might lead to greater impact on your business performance. What exactly is your ultimate business goal? To gain more profit? To improve your market position? Right? So think about who can take your business to a better level. It is the valuable human resource whose skills you consume to facilitate the business. In that case, staffing shortage is the great threat to business productivity and growth. Just because you may have managed it temporarily, do not assume that you can do it over and over again. The causes of short staffing may be multifold. Unable to find the right hire for the job role due to the competitive job market, business requirements dynamics, which may intimidate or demotivate employees, leading to employee separation, economic conditions leading to a high turnover rate, or long-term or short-term absenteeism of employee due to sickness, vacation, or educational purposes. Such situations of short staffing can seriously impact businesses. For instance, if a nurse or a doctor are short-staffed, it is a great risk to safety. Even in organizations, short staffing causes safety issues, demotivates other employees, increases workload, unable to respond to client promptly. It's not good for the business. Poor organizational culture, diminished employee performance, loss of valuable clients and projects, and the loss of business revenue, of course. Do you now understand the criticality of staffing shortage? If yes, start acting now. The chief remedial measures must be started from the management level by prioritizing tasks and time management, followed by efforts to reskill workforce and team building. To have immediate results, hiring contract workers through RPO agencies can work out. Let us, however, understand in detail the expert idea that have been proven effective. Prioritize your projects. The effectiveness of management lies in knowing what is the first priority. Start prioritizing tasks and time management that encourage your employees to follow a strict schedule, track the completion of tasks on time, systematically organize the work execution. The implementation of each project must be organized based on the available staff. Plan the work distribution according to the skill set and experience of the staff present. Make sure not to overload a single employee. Maintain a checklist. Having a project management software or tool backed by leading-edge technology can speed up the management process for you. It is easier to keep track of the completed and in-progress tasks and can send automated notifications to the respective staff. Ensure good team communication. Though it may sound simple, communication is the pivotal part of good management, especially during short-staffed situations. Communication among the team and with the supervisors must be seamless and consistent. This ensures adequate information regarding the process of the tasks. But to enable better communication, managers must frequently make check on the team's coordination and work on employee team building ideas. Encourage teamwork. The problem of short staffing will not affect strong and well-grounded team. It is the responsibility of a manager to ensure that team is maintained in all process. An unbreakable team with rationale and goal-driven professionals can easily overcome any staffing problem. Upskill, cross-skill employees. As part of learning and development, an organization must always prioritize the effort to reskill workforce. Employees must never stop learning and upskilling on the current project technologies and the future prospective enhancement. Also, cross-skilling is an efficient and time-saving way to utilize an employee's potential across various projects. Such knowledge expansion activities must be made mandatory to help with short staffing issues as well as better productivity. Implement automation only with exceptionally competent employees. With proper planning and systemization, managers must develop the projects to be automated right from the beginning. AI and ML experts can easily provide super fast solutions for any technological automation. Since every business relies on technology for various purposes, investing in automation and AI incorporation can save your business. Outsource in worst cases. Despite all the above-mentioned efforts, if you are still short-staffed or have staff with inadequate skills, outsource your work to other organizations. Though this may not provide the expected results, it can save the business image among the trusted client during such crucial time. Hire contract workers. Hiring contract workers is also a quick fix during desperate times. This can be easily achieved by hiring RPO service providers. Recently, RPO agencies are highly effective as they have top-tier technology and process to give you the best candidates within a matter of weeks. Though this might cost the business some significant investment, this method is greatly useful for very critical business requirements. As rightly said in the proverb, prevention is better than cure. Managers and business owners must always be well prepared for staff shortage issues. The above idea can give the best results to overcome staffing shortages in these challenging economic and social conditions. That's all for today's episode. If you have any question about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.